In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open a sales call and gain the respect that you actually deserve. So, the first thing that you want to say when someone comes on the call, you're going to say, John, I appreciate you jumping on the call on time. It's great to see. It tells me a lot already. The reason why you're going to say that is because you're punctual. That's going to show that you're on time, that your company's on time. And when you say, it tells me a lot already, it already creates an identity that that person is already moving in the right direction, gaining momentum. Then you're going to set a frame. You're going to say something like this, depending on what offer you're on. I have your application here, and I don't want to assume too much from what you put down here. But, these calls are, in my opinion, pretty simple. I just want to get a bit more of a clear understanding of like where you're actually at the moment, kind of like what's working for you, and just to even see if like working with RSA is kind of like the next natural progression to get to where you want to go in the future. And if I feel like maybe it's not, I'll definitely point you in the right direction and give you some good advice. But like if we both feel like that this has got alignment and I feel confident that we can help you, then I'll definitely tell you about how you can make $5,000 to $10,000 a month in remote sales. Does that sound cool? The reason why you're going to say it like that is you're not saying that you can help every single person that comes on a call with you. And it also sets obviously authority as well. Once you've done that, the prospect's going to feel like, do you know what? I don't even know if this person can actually help me. All of a sudden, what does that do? They start opening up more, their shoulders are a lot more relaxed, and then you can get down to more of a meaningful conversation because you set that frame at the start of the call. So they feel like now they've got to sell to you why they would be a good fit for that program.